Guys, welcome back. Today I want to show you another tutorial on how you can speed up your slow Android phone. If your phone is getting older, you observe some sluggishness in the device. RAM management might not be that much effective. So today I'm going to show you about 4 to 5 settings that you must turn off or that you must adjust in order to make your device seem very faster. Are we here? So if you are ready, let's go. Step number 1, tap on settings. Alright, then come to about phone. Then you scroll down to OS version. OS version. OS version. Keep on tapping it. Tap it 5 times until you see this pop up. No need, you are already a developer. Can you see it? Then once it is done, you go back. Okay, scroll down until you can find developer settings. Under this, you can tap on additional settings. Okay, then you scroll down to developers option. Developers option, tap on it. You can see it's turned on. So you move now, scroll down to number 1 thing I want to show you now is this logger buffer size. Okay, this one will give your apps more memory space in order for it to run in the background. So the more the memory space, the more time it can remain. Okay, so if you have enough RAM, you can tap on this and increase it to, let's say, the highest. Okay, if you wish, you can leave it at 256 kilobytes, but I'll leave it at 8 MB. All right, if you have done that, then you can scroll to number 2 now. This is very important. This has to do with your animation. Okay, this has to do with your animation. Now, the first one here is Windows animation scale. Can you see this? Windows animation scale. It is at 0.5x currently, and we have 1x, 1.5, 2x, and 10x. So the lower you go, the faster your phone becomes. Okay, the higher you go, the slower your phone becomes. You can see mine is at 0.5x right here. So transition animation scale also, it is at 0.5x. Then animation duration scale 0.5x. Now let me show you the effect of this quickly now. Let's change this. Let's put it at 10x. Transition animation scale 10x. Windows animation scale 10x. Now observe my phone. Can you see how slow the animation is? Can you see it? This is what I'm telling you. You can speed up your phone. All right, so you can see how slow the phone has become. Okay, so let's go back. Additional settings. You can see the phone is becoming frustrating, right? That's how your phone becomes frustrating, but you can speed up your phone by using these settings. All right, so let's move quickly and readjust these settings back. So I put it at 0.5, and I leave this also at 0.5. Can you see it now? Are we good to go? Yes. Can you see it? Can you see? Can you see it now? Can see how responsive your phone becomes? Are you following? This is how you can change the settings of your phone and make it run more faster. Okay, look at my RAM now. I have 7.6 gigabyte of RAM left, and let's go to this app. This app was running in the background since. I can see it's still opened. Okay, so these are the few steps you follow. In my next tutorial, I'll show you more tips on how to improve your phone security. If you like this tutorial, share it with your friends and subscribe.